Gethsemane. What a beautiful song. We're going to learn to play part of it today. We'll start by placing our hand in F position. F position is when we put our thumb on F. F, as you recall, is at the bottom of 3 blacks, right underneath it there. And we've got 2 phrases we're going to learn today. The first one is going up from bottom up to middle. Gethsemane. We repeat that middle twice, but otherwise it's just bottom up to middle. Phrase 2, I'll give you some finger numbers. 1, which is our thumb. 2, right above it. 5, and then repeat. And then 3. 1, 2, 5, 5, 3. With the words, Jesus loves me. Let's play it all together. Starting with phrase 1. Gethsemane, Jesus loves me. Nice job. We'll be learning the rest of the song real soon. Thanks for practicing.